So what's up, guys? So last video I had the disassembled all of the rear subframe assembly. I kind of brought this subframe to the car wash, just kind of I guess pressure washed it, just see if like what all big heavy loose stuff would come off. Still looks pretty rough. Definitely want to get it blasted to check on, make sure everything's right. But that's going to be for another video. Today, I'm tackling something else. It's going to be a shorter video, hopefully. But these plugs, they're size 14 mil, and I don't have that. Nobody has that. I found on Amazon they had some for, I think it was like $7 approximately. But then you gotta wait, 2 days and stuff like that. So I was like, is there a cheaper way to do it? So what I did was, I went and bought a 3/8 cap screw, and also bought just a 3/8 socket. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this bolt here, stick it in the socket, and weld it up, because the head of that is a 9/16, and that's just barely over 14 mil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the end and just kind of, I guess, sand it down to get it within 14 mil, just to kind of make it just, I don't know, just make your own tool kind of thing. It's fun making your own tools. And let's see, the screw cost me 90 cents. I think this was like $2.10 or so. So $3, and just welding it together, which is free because I already have the tool. I don't know, it's more exciting, more fun than just buying something and waiting 2 days for it to come from Amazon. So I guess we'll start. I'll just show some. Okay, so here we go. So I have the just a bolt kind of sitting in this socket here. So pretty much just what I'm gonna do is just come in from the side and just build up some welds, kind of tie that bolt into that socket itself. And also I have a caliper. So let me show you what the actual head. Okay, so let's see. So I got my little trusty digital caliper straight from Harbor Freight here. So let's see, I'll kind of come around and kind of measure it. Let's see. Okay. See, 14.14 millimeters. So pretty much that's, we just got to remove that roughly 0.4, 0.13. Let's see. So I guess it's all over. I guess it's within a bolt head tolerance. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit off each of the 6 points. Just to kind of make sure, like, go slow, remove just enough to kind of get it to kind of fit in the actual plug openings themselves. I don't want to take off too much and then I'm left with nothing. I have to buy another bolt. The real question is, do I remove the material first before welding it? That way, in case I remove too much, I can just go buy another 90-cent bolt. Kind of just talked myself into doing it that way. So yeah, let's start. Alright, so put you on time lapse there to kind of make everything go quicker. You can kind of see I just ground down the faces of each, and I got it to fit. It's a little bit of a slight amount of effort, so I think it'll be fine. Oh, let me make sure you're pointing at it, idiot. But yeah, I can get it to sit down in that opening, so I think we're good there. Perfect. Okay, so now I just gotta I'm gonna sit it in there, kind of figure out where I need to clean off both the chrome coating and also the zinc coating of the actual bolt or screw, I guess. I guess it's called a screw because it has threads all the way up to the top of the head. I guess that's your factor. Alright, so I got it set up, got it grounded up. I'm using some 309 rod. I also don't know if the welder's making too much noise. But just a forewarning before I start welding this, I do suck at TIG welding, so we're gonna figure out how shitty I really am. Yep, and just like that. It was hot enough. Just clipped it with the damn. Try again. Try to look so fucking slow. Alright, we got the tack on there, son of a bitch. Alright, son of a diddle. Took forever to get a tack on there. Alright. Let's try to go 180 out and get another tack. It's probably going to be hotter than a fucking $2 pistol, boys. What kind of fucking colors going on here, brother? Let's see if I can get a good tack on there. Well, I mean, I never got a good tack on it. So. Alright, let's see if I can get a tack on there. Alright, a little tack on there, tiny tack, little tiny tack. Alright, let's see if I can continue it along. Along here, continue it along. Let's see. Yep, hello. Come on, bitch. Whee! World's worst TIG welder. Alright, let's get her. Oh yeah. Hit me fucking dick. Alright, I'm gonna let that motherfucker cool down a little bit and I'm gonna polish this turd. Alright, here it is. It's probably not the focus you fuck. It's probably not the best. I know it's not the best. But will it hold? Probably so. I mean, I don't know. That's all you really need. It's a little piece, made it ourselves. Custom. Hacked fab. Special. Save $2 to make something real ugly. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. I don't know how this is gonna work out. Let's see. Whew. Well, I mean, didn't fail. Let's try to get some penetrant on. Alright, do some PB blaster on there. Let's see how we doing now. At least the thing didn't fail yet. Damn. Jesus. Alright, I got this son bitch clamped down to the table. Hopefully it's tight enough. I'm gonna try to use this breaker bar with a reducer and then the actual piece, just to kind of see if we got it. Let's see. I'm trying to set you guys up so you can see it. See if we break this son bitch. Break it. Let's see. Oh no, thing's fucking torqued on there. Lord have mercy. I need to spill off. The drain, I should say. I'll break it. Jesus Christ, man. I'm gonna buy new ones or something. These things are fucked. Alright, back to drum. Had to resort to the blue wrench. I mean, the only thing is dissimilar metals, because it's like aluminum back plate, and then this is like a steel plug, so I don't know, these things are just welded together. It's just like, oh man. It's terrible. Northern vehicles. Last Northern vehicle I ever purchased, that's a fact. Heat it up evenly. Oh, it smells like burnt diff fluid, so you know you're getting close. It's like burning shit. It already smelled like shit before, and now it's burnt shit. Oh, let's give that a try. Alright. So heated it up. See if that helped any. Came right out, huh? Son of a bitch. Just needed that heat. Did they RTV this plug on there? Son of a bitch. That's what they did. All right. Spanking up the place. Give her the go while she's smoking, letting the smoke out. Come on, baby. We just need you to come out. That's all we need you to do. Just come out. Groundhog's Day, baby. Hell yeah. Roll damn tide. Golly. Who would have thought? Yeah. Oh yeah. She's off. And that's messed up. Nope, that's good. Perfect. Oh yeah. Homemade tools. Alright, perfect. So the tool worked. Spent a total of about $3 on this little guy, and she worked. I'm excited. So, the next thing, got that out, just kind of just a precursor. I didn't really do anything this weekend. It was Mardi Gras. As you can tell, I think I still have my ashes on my forehead. It's Ash Wednesday. Next thing, I have to get this blasted, that's for sure. I think that's like the longest lead thing to do, because I have to get that blasted, replace all the bushings in it before I can put everything back into the car. Then we get new drive axles, just because they're like $65 at O'Reilly's. Pretty cheap, so I may just get some new ones. I thought about the hydro, and I found out that FCP Euro has replacement brake cables for only $12. So no hydro, saving money on that. Just gonna get new brake cables, reinstall those. Hopefully the next video is me dropping the rest of the exhaust out, getting the old cables out, and trying to, I guess, figure out what I want to do about the exhaust itself. There is a car in the junkyard I might want to go see. I might get that car, just because. Just get the subframe exhaust too. I might get the full exhaust because that one's cut. Can't reuse it, so I might get the full exhaust. But I'll see if I can find out what the rear end differential is on that one. Might be a good one. So I might get like the differential, the subframe, maybe pull axles. Junkyard axles for cheap. Might do that instead of getting new axles. Because these are just rusted and shit. The boots are messed up. I need new coils. I think I might just go to the junkyard and just pull everything off of that. Just to kind of make it easier. I also don't know what kind of fluid goes in the diff because it's a limited slip. I don't know if it takes anything special. So we'll see. So hopefully the next video is me pulling some shit out of this car and maybe going to the junkyard to get another some more parts. Hopefully. So that's why I'll leave you here tonight. Let's see. Question to ask you. Oh, there's a drift event here that's on like the 20th, 21st. Should I go to it? Yeah, I got like 3 weeks to get ready for it. Just leave down in the comments if I should. It's only $100 for all day on a skid pad. So just leave a comment below if I should or should not do it. Okay, thanks guys.